social media game is on point, I have to say, but there are certain events that happened recently that I'm going to bring into light. First of all, you commented on Kartik Aaryan's post that you want a Christmas present from him, and also you went for the Dheeme Dheeme challenge with him. So is that like just the equation between you two, or something exciting is coming up for us?
You know, I've from the sidelines, I've just been watching him. I don't know. I don't even know how it's come into my attention, but I've been. Was it maybe stuff on Instagram or something? I don't know. And I saw one thing once, and I was like, "Wow, he's really endearing." And then I kept watching, and I kept watching, and I've just been observing him, and something about him.
The Dheeme Dheeme video, was it?
But before that, which is why I then reached out to him and I said I want to learn the Dheeme Dheeme step, is because there's something about him that I find so endearing. I find him extremely hardworking. He's not apologetic about the fact that he, and this is all my understanding. I've not met him too many times. I don't know, but as an outsider, my understanding is that he's extremely focused. He's extremely driven, and he's not apologetic about it. He will do whatever it takes to be successful. He will take whatever it takes to be at the top. He's honest and he's not apologetic about it, and I love that about him. So that's how I started sort of, you know, following him and seeing his work. Then I saw the Dheeme Dheeme challenge, and I said, what is this step? And I kept watching it, and I kept watching it, and to save my life, I've not been able to do that step. So I said, let me just. Of course, I tried at home, and then I messaged him. I was like, "Can you please teach me the step, because I'm really bad." So yeah.
And then you nailed it within minutes at the airport.
I don't think I nailed it. I was warming up.
You just recently mentioned that the video with Hrithik was because that was like a call for casting all the filmmakers.
It's called a call to action.
So have you been approached from any filmmaker?
No, not yet. But I mean, I'm hoping that some writer or some director somewhere has seen that and is thinking of some sort of script with the two of us.
But it is being heard that he's the Lord Krishna to your Draupadi.
That's not true.
Okay. But we hope something comes up. Really
I do.
Soon.
I mean, I think we hope. We both do. In fact, that same night we were talking, and we both look forward to working with each other. So yeah, I mean, let's hope for something amazing that will happen for us.
What was Shah Rukh Khan's Nokia Lumia phone ka price in Chennai Express? This one was fun.
999999.
No, it was 34,249. Okay.
You've really done lots of research, I have to say.
Yeah, I'm your fan. I have to. What are the total number of posts on your Instagram right now? After the one that you posted like a while back. You have to remember this.
1,000 something.
Yeah, 1,066.
You're a stalker. You're not a fan. You're a stalker.
I'm not a stalker. ठीक है, आप बोलोगे तो वो भी चलेगा.
How did Ranveer Singh propose Deepika Padukone for marriage? He asked her, why has Deepika Padukone always not worked with Salman Khan yet? Because we've not found a good script together. What did Deepika Padukone study? Deepika Padukone is only a 12th standard graduate and is not, 12th standard. No, what am I saying? 12th standard graduate. Deepika Padukone is not a graduate. I've studied only till the 12th standard. I studied history, economics, psychology, sociology. How did Deepika Padukone remove her tattoo? Is Deepika Padukone a part of XXX4? What is Deepika Padukone's height with heels?
Koimoi.com